The following is a public notice. If you have an automobile lease expiring within the next few months, here's good news from the Sunset Auto family. First, you do not have to wait until the lease term has expired to turn in that vehicle. That's a common misconception. Next, you may have also been told that you have to turn it in to the same dealership you leased it from, but you don't. And this should really get your attention. About that residual. It's not true that you'll only get their original residual figure at the end of your lease. The actual cash value of that vehicle is likely thousands higher than the residual on your paperwork, especially right now. So bring your leased vehicle to any Sunset Auto family dealership for a complimentary appraisal that in most cases will be thousands of dollars to your advantage. Then pick out something you really want. Chances are you'll drive it home with little or nothing out of your pocket and about the same monthly installment, maybe even less. So don't wait. The time is now. You just get more from Sunset, and people really do like that.